The Essential Sound panel in Adobe Audition and Adobe Premiere Pro now supports auto ducking of ambience recordings. An Adobe Sensei feature, ducking analyzes your timeline and automatically generates volume keyframes so that your dialogue and other sonic elements don't get lost in the mix. Just tag your environmental clips as ambience in the Essential Sound panel, then enable ducking. Adjust sensitivity, volume, and fade speed to quickly customize the right sense of presence, whether you're producing a high-energy talk show or a sensitive documentary. Ambience auto ducking is just one of several new features available in Adobe Audition. Try it now at adobe.com.